Right then gang, we are back. First video went down pretty good. I can say we're gonna learn some better ways of doing the videos. Need to stop saying so bloody many times. I've also learned as well to keep the phone the right way, so it's a better video for YouTube. Need to stop saying So, where we're going today? We're going to go to Ingleton Falls up in Yorkshire. We done a video there last week. We're over at Ingleton Mountain, one of Yorkshire Dale's highest mountains around that area. I've never done this walk before. Should be okay. Plenty of good scenic shots. We can go behind the waterfall if we're lucky, get some good shots around there, interview some more people. Today I am doing it with a gang of my friends that I've known for a good few years. We're in the Hiking Buddies mobile. You will see later on. If you're been following the page, you will know what I'm talking about. Again, it'll be in later on in the video. I'll be getting some more better pictures of the Hiking Buddies mobile. Yeah, the weather's not the best. It's a bit probably are going to get wet on this one, so that means I'm definitely going to fall over. So yeah, we have a gang of people who've never been on our hikes before. It's their first event organising, first event doing it. Yeah, should be good. I hope so anyway. If not, I'm going to blame Mark. He's the event organiser for this event. We'll be interviewing later on about the event, any history that he knows about the place. But yeah, until then, see you over there. So we have just arrived at the car park outside of Ingleton Waterfalls Trail. It looks like it might be a busy day on the trail today, as there are quite a few cars here already. The car park is currently undergoing maintenance, so half of it is closed off. As you can see here, it looks pretty busy already, so I'd recommend you come in here pretty early. If you don't come here pretty early, you're going to be making a bit of a walk, parking in the village, just only about 5 minutes down the road, but still, if you can park here, it's better than, you know, walking around here in the village or making the village all clogged up with cars. Good thing about the car park, it's free for everyone to use. So yeah, I'd say arrive here early, get a space, and go and enjoy yourself. Right there, the Hiking Buddies mobile. Like I was saying before, earlier on in the video. So if you see this car around, I want some pictures getting sent to our Hiking Buddies UK. Here we are. So we've just started the walk now. The weather's a bit isn't the best. Raining a little bit, not too heavy. And yeah, good little number. I think there's 11 of us that have turned out. So not nothing too crazy number wise, but still a good number of people. Some new faces as well. First time going on walks with us, so later on today I'll do a little interview with them, see how they're finding it. I'll speak to the event organiser as well, Mark. It's his first time doing a walk on the group, and it's his first time making an event as well, so we'll speak to him, ask him how he's finding it and how we thought about, you know, making the event, what was his reason behind it, what he wants to get out of it, and yeah, we'll just see how it goes really. But yeah, it's a new trail for me. I haven't done it before. When you come here, the car park's free, but then to do the trail is it £8? £8 per person. Do you get any discount with your National Trust card?
No.
Yeah, so there's no discount for National Trust, blue light card. So when you do come here, you'll be paying the full rate really. Can't really get around that. But it's one of them really. It's not the end of the world. I suppose if you've done this trail once or twice, then I suppose you don't really need to come back here again. But what I'll do, I'll turn it around and get you some scenic shots of where we're walking, what we can see, and I'll speak to you later on about some more facts, history, and if there's any other interesting parts, I'll let you know. So probably about a mile round or so now. As you can see on the footage, it's fucking stunning. It's not very challenging, but if you want to walk around, have a nice little scenic route, shall we say, then this is definitely the one to go. Again, I don't think we do much of any elevation as such today. Just more of a quick little scenic walk around really. But because of the weather, it just adds that little bit more to the ambience of it all. You know, it's drizzling. We have a bit of low fog behind us as well in the valley. It just kind of adds to the experience really. So I think I've just seen the waterfall, and it looks like we're pretty on high flood. So I think going beyond the waterfall might be a bit of a challenge. So if we can do it and not get too wet, I will be doing it. But it's looking a bit too yeah, I think we'll have to give it a miss on this one. Yeah, I'll end up really wet on this one, so So yeah, so far it's been alright. Plenty of dog walkers, plenty of people around here. I'd give it a miss if you plan on coming here with a pram, as the terrain's a bit uneasy on your feet. Again, you've all seen that in the videos, so yeah, turn around, get some more scenic shots of leading up to the waterfall, and yeah, enjoy. Down the waterfall. Stupid thing. So yeah, here we are now on our way back. We've just hit probably more than halfway actually. So we're on the other side now, going on our descent back. As you can see now, so we're starting to come back down. So we've done 3 waterfalls on that side, come around the top of it, and then we come on the other side of the gully, which now we're on the other side. That makes sense. Confusing. I'll try and put a picture of the walk in the video here. So yeah, now we're walking back around now. We're oh yeah, walking back around, like I keep on saying. So, about this walk then, it's not very, it's not hard, far from hard to be fair, but if you want to try hiking, you want to get involved in hiking, I would suggest try this one here. Say it's not very hard, you can't get lost on there, and again, it's a nice scenic route. I'll turn around here so you can get some shots of the waterfalls. So, not far from the end now. As you saw in the videos, it's plenty of stuff to see, plenty of waterfalls. It's absolutely stunning, to be fair. I didn't know it was going to be this nice. So, if you want to find us, check us out on the socials. We'll be at the end of the video. But really, we need everyone, all of our HBUK army, get behind us, share the video, like the video, tell your mum, tell your dad, tell your friends, share it in WhatsApp groups, WhatsApp chats. Let's bloody get us massive. Again, let's spread these videos. Let's show people around the UK what the UK's got to offer, because people always overlook the UK because they live here. They think, nothing that special around here, and it is. Loads of beautiful things, this being one of them, and it's only an hour and a half from your house, well, from my house anyway, so recommend it. So as usual, give us a like, give us a thumbs up, all that jargon, share the video. If you want to get involved with us, Hiking Buddies UK, type it on Facebook, Instagram. We have our own website. We're running trips next year, this year as well, over to Slovakia, Kilimanjaro. To be fair, yeah, so there's still spaces on all of these trips. If you want to get on board, jump on them now. Go and check over our website. You can, yeah, there's all links over there. You know, we have a pretty big social media presence, so shouldn't be too hard to find us. So yeah, been another successful trip. No one's hurt themselves. I haven't fell over yet, so I suppose that's one good thing as well. Yeah, been a good day. Hasn't rained too much either. Haven't got that wet. So yeah, jump on board with us. There's a bit of better things than sliced bread.